I'm Dr. Paul, and what we'll do is give you a tour of our clinic. This is our waiting area. This is our front desk area. When you first come in as a new patient, our front desk girls will hand you some paperwork and they'll help you out, and you'll sit over here and fill out that information. Back over here, we have our therapy bay. In this room, we put patients on different types of therapies. We also do stretches and exercises. And that's one portion of our care that we offer here. In this room over here is my main treatment room. In this room, I have a flexion distraction table. It works really great with low backs. I also do a lot of my new patient exams in here. So if you're a new patient, this is the first room you'll be in. This room over here has a Thompson drop table. This is a table used for different techniques to help with different types of problems that patients might have. I also have another therapy area right over here, so we do ultrasound and STEM in this room as well. Back over here, we have another exam room. We mainly use this to take images on patients if they need it. Over here, we have a bathroom and a washroom for our patients. And here, this is our muscle therapy room. So patients that are getting muscle work done, like massage work, trigger point work, manual therapy, that all gets done in this room. Well, you've seen our clinic. I hope to see you pretty soon.